Welcome to Dream Car. Today the new 2025 Morris Minor is a modern take on a beloved classic, seamlessly blending retro charm with advanced technology. At first glance, the exterior pays homage to its heritage. The iconic rounded shape remains, but with sharper edges and a more streamlined design that fits perfectly into today's automotive landscape. The front grille has been updated with a sleeker, more contemporary look, while the signature round headlights now feature LED technology for better visibility. The chrome detailing around the windows and bumpers gives it a premium finish, complementing the classic curves that make the Morris Minor so instantly recognizable. Stepping inside, the interior delivers a mix of nostalgia and modern luxury. High-quality materials are used throughout the cabin, from the soft leather seats to the polished chrome accents on the dashboard and doors. Despite its compact size, the 2025 Morris Minor provides ample space for passengers. The cabin layout is simple and elegant, but with the latest technology embedded in every corner. A digital instrument cluster takes the place of traditional dials, offering the driver customizable information, and the center console boasts a touchscreen display that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. One of the standout features of the Morris Minor 2025 is its performance. Under the hood, you'll find a choice of two engines, a turbocharged 1.5-liter petrol engine and a fully electric variant. The petrol engine is smooth, offering around 150 horsepower, which is more than enough for city driving and the occasional highway trip. However, it's the electric model that's making waves, delivering a quiet yet powerful driving experience with zero emissions. The electric version offers up to 250 miles of range on a single charge, making it not just eco-friendly, but also practical for everyday use. Handling in both versions is responsive and agile, thanks to its lightweight frame and improved suspension system. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway, the Morris Minor delivers a smooth and enjoyable ride. The braking system has also been upgraded with regenerative technology in the electric model, adding efficiency to the overall driving experience. As for pricing, the Morris Minor 2025 starts at around $30,000 for the petrol version, while the electric model begins at approximately $40,000. For a car that offers both nostalgic design and modern performance, it's a competitive price point that's sure to appeal to fans of the original model and new drivers alike. With its blend of style, comfort, and eco-friendly technology, the Morris Minor 2025 is a true evolution of a classic, fit for the modern world. This is Dream Car. Thanks for watching.